Hi student, today's topic is polypropylene or polypropene. It is simply represented as PP. This topic is from the chapter Commercial Polymer. The number 5 inside the triangle represents the polypropylene. In this unit, we are going to discuss the synthesis, properties and application of polypropylene or polypropene. Polypropene is a thermoplastic. Polypropene is perhaps the latest non-industrial polymer. It is produced via chain growth polymerization, that is addition polymerization from the monomer propylene. Polypropylene belongs to the group of polyolefins and it is partially crystalline and non-polar. Chemical formula of polypropylene is C3H6 times. Then synthesis of polypropylene. It is prepared by passing propylene through N-hexane. It is an inert solvent containing triethyl aluminum and titanium tetrachloride, that is called Ziegler-Natta catalyst, or traces of benzoyl peroxide as a radical initiator at 373 Kelvin under 10 atm pressure. It is a propene. N number of polypropene under polymerization 373 Kelvin and 10 atm. The catalyst used is Ziegler-Natta catalyst or benzoyl peroxide to give polypropene. It is the structure of polypropene. Then what are the properties of PP? PP is, that is polypropene is harder and stronger than polyethylene. Being highly crystalline, it exhibits high stiffness, hardness and tensile strength. The stability towards heat and light is lesser than that of polyethylene. Then what are the application of polypropylene? Polypropylene is widely used in various applications due to its good chemical resistance and weldability. Some common uses of polypropylene include, the number one is automotive use, that is it is used for the preparation of dashboard, wheel arches, mud flaps, steering wheel, glove boxes, door pockets, etc. And second, in medical uses, disposable syringe, sterilizing medical waste. Third application is household. It is used for making coffee maker body, hair dryer, ceiling fans, AC parts, bucket, flasks, etc. And appliances uses of polypropylene is washing machine parts like detergent dispenser unit, tube lines, valves, etc. And fifth is packaging application. Good barrier properties, high strength, good surface finish and low cost make polypropylene ideal for several packaging applications. Rigid packaging, polypropylene films excellent optical clarity and low moisture vapor transmission make it suitable for use in food packaging, other disposable diaphragm tabs. Rigid packaging. Polypropylene is low molded to produce bottles and pots. Polypropylene thin walled container are commonly used for food packaging. Let us now compare the polypropylene versus polyethylene. In polypropylene, monomer used is propylene, while in the case of polyethylene, the monomer is ethylene. Polypropylene is quite rigid. Polyethylene is less rigid and more flexible. Polypropylene is not translucent. Polyethylene is translucent. Polypropylene has high melting point compared to polyethylene. Polyethylene has low melting point than polypropylene. These are about synthesis, properties and application of